Western Iowa Tech Community College here in Sioux City served as the site for an important discussion today.
That's right. More than 150 community members and child care professionals gathered all together to focus on a critical issue affecting our community, the child care crisis. Now, the discussion took place at the Growing Community Connections annual data meeting. Attendees explored how the child care crisis intersects with the 5 key focus areas identified by Source for Siouxland. Those are health, safety, economic stability, quality of life, and education. But most importantly, the meeting focused on how the child care crisis has a far-reaching impact on the economic future of our region.
We do not have people moving to our community or they're leaving our community. And so as we looked at that, we realized that a big part of that was childcare. If you're going to move here, you really need quality childcare, but you also need places for your children. You need a place where you can put all your children in one place so you don't have to drive around. You need a place that you feel safe and comfortable and know your children are learning in. So that was really what came out of economic development, was the need for quality, affordable childcare.
The discussions at the Growing Community Connections meeting were aimed at sharing local and national data on this child care crisis, raising awareness of tools and resources available to the community, and creating meaningful community change.
At the end of our meeting, one of the things that people said is we need to have our business professionals around the table. You're a part of that solution and we need to have you here. We do have focus groups other than Growing Community Connections, so Thriving Families, Safer Children. We have a large community planning group. We have a group called Child Care Solutions and other groups going on in the community.
If you would like to learn more about the child care crisis in Siouxland or see how you can get involved, you can visit this story on KTIV.com.